Okay, everyone. I actually realized that maybe a lot of you guys are just starting out. Maybe you are totally new to affiliate marketing and you probably don't have the funds to invest in outsourcing of press release writing and distribution. So I thought, why not do a lecture and help you guys understand what press releases actually are, how they work, and how you can actually create your own press releases without having to hire anyone. Obviously, you are going to need some basic writing skills, but press release writing is a totally different ballgame. It's not article writing. There is some special science involved here. So you have to be very careful, and since you're trying to promote affiliate products here with press releases, you have to be extra careful because frankly, press releases are not supposed to be used for promoting affiliate products. But it can be done, as I explained earlier, and a lot of people are already doing it. I do it myself. But you have to be able to write your press releases in a very specific way. You can't afford to sound super salesy, and you cannot push people into clicking your affiliate links and buying your products inside your press releases. So I'm going to try and give you some insider tips and help you understand what press releases really are, how they work, and how you can actually create your own press releases without having to hire someone to do it for you. Now, first of all, why press releases? Why did I choose press releases? I mean, there are a lot of different options that can bring traffic to your affiliate links, but why press releases? The reason being, Google actually has a section that deals with news. If you go to google.com, you will find the news section there. So, depending on the niche, the results from the news part of the Google index are also shown in the regular Google results. The competition for the news part is usually much smaller than for the regular results. So once you submit a story that has been indexed by Google News, it actually automatically starts ranking and lands on top of all the other stories. And this is the only reason you can actually outrank everything that is there related to your segment, and you can attract a lot of traffic. That is the reason why I use press releases for promoting my affiliate products. Now consider this. Your press release starts ranking above everything else on google.com, and you have put in your affiliate links inside your press releases. The kind of traffic that it's going to get is going to be mind-boggling, and a lot of people are going to buy your products because that is the first thing that they are going to see when they search for those terms on google.com. So I hope you get my point that press releases are really a very powerful way to promote your affiliate marketing products. Let's now look at how you can actually use them to the best effect. You see, a press release is basically a newsworthy article or story that can be submitted to a variety of media outlets, including online websites, newspapers, magazines, and even radio. By providing journalists with a story, you are actually satisfying their constant need for new stories to cover, whilst you can gain free promotion of your services or products or website. By preparing a press release in a specific manner, you will gain more chance of it being featured by a media establishment. How cool is that? But how do you go about creating a press release? The first thing that you have to think about is how to pick your angle. The type of news the media really enjoys is news that is amusing, controversial, and remarkable. If possible, try to find an angle that will appeal due to its quirkiness or because it's a human interest story. Link to famous people if possible. But please remember, you cannot afford to write anything that you cannot back up. This is super important. Do not base your story on promotion of your affiliate marketing products. You can't afford to sound salesy. It really is best to pick another angle to feature inside your press release. It is not really a very good idea to try and sound super salesy and attract people to your affiliate links. That's not the way to do it. Try to find another angle to feature inside your press release. But obviously, you are going to include your affiliate links. So make sure that when people read the press release, at the end of it all, they would want to check out the product that is capable of doing these wonders. So you have to have your affiliate links inside your press releases, but they are not going to be the center of attraction. Something else is going to be, and that's where picking your angle properly is important. The next important thing is length of your press release. Your press release will need to be between 300 and 800 words long for it to be most useful. So it's not a very good idea to go for maybe 100 or 150 word press releases. Those really don't work. The next important thing is quality. Grammar and spelling will need to be correct and standard. Use the active voice as much as possible, as this will read better and will also be more current than using past tense. The next important point is headline. The headline is what will sell the story to the media and then to readers. You'll need to attract attention and to round up what the story is about all in one. Put yourself in the media's shoes and consider what they might find interesting. The next important thing is the first paragraph. Now this is going to be your summary paragraph and should convey the whole story as a summary or in a nutshell. It should be strong enough to stand without the rest of the press release. Now, for the further paragraphs, this is where you will explain more about who, why, and when. Write about the benefits of the product that you want to promote. Don't tell people, hey, go ahead and buy my product. Instead, talk about the problems that they are facing and how your product can actually solve those problems. However, remember that it has to be done in a manner that does not appear to be a direct sales approach. It really is about finding an angle that the media will find of interest. Next important thing is quote. Try to add a quote from the people involved in the story. In my experience, this is where you will add any sales type of information about what an individual thinks of a particular kind of product. Now, as far as affiliate products are concerned, you will find a lot of reviews from different people and many famous people as well on their affiliate marketing pages. So you can use that information as well. So that's how you create your press release. It's not very difficult, but you have to follow certain steps to be able to do it properly. The next important thing is where to submit your press release. Now, there are plenty of places online where you can submit your press releases. Some of them are totally free, some of them are very expensive, and some of them are not so expensive. The best approach is to build a list of websites available and then weed out those that aren't going to work for you based on cost, topics covered, and then over time you'll learn about which sites work best as you watch the results. Now, I can't give you a list of sites that work best because, frankly, for the healthcare segment, what I've seen is the websites that charge you monthly membership fee actually work best. Because if your news items get featured there, over a period of time, Google is actually going to pick that up and that is going to rank on Google itself. But you can do a search on google.com and try and look for press release distribution websites that are totally free. Go through those websites and try to find articles or press releases that are totally related to the kind of products that you are trying to promote. And then maybe you will have success with a free press release distribution service. You won't even have to go to fiverr.com. So that's how this thing works. Why not go ahead and try writing a press release yourself and then see for yourself if that actually works. Because if it works, that is going to change the game altogether for you. You won't have to spend any money and you would be able to write your own press releases for all the products that you promote, and this is going to continue. So you would really be able to save a lot of money. But if it doesn't work out, then obviously you can go back to fiverr.com and you can hire people to do it for you. That's it, folks. I just wanted to try and help you to write your own press releases and distributing them. So probably you don't have to go to fiverr.com or other places and spend money on press releases. But at the end of the day, you have to decide whether or not you're capable of doing it yourself. So thank you for your time. I really wish you the best of luck.